Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be reviewing and sharing some Signature Rouge liquid lipstick claims to be lightweight matte-colored ink that delivers intense pigment with a weightless bare lip sensation, or the so-called revolutionary matte lip tint. L'Oreal also recently released 8 new shades, making this collection a total of 20 shade range. Let's start our review with the packaging. As we all know, L'Oreal is on the mid-range drugstore brand, so it isn't as affordable, but they definitely offer products with a good packaging. This also has a doe foot applicator, but comparing it to their infallible Pro Matte liquid lipstick, its doe foot applicator is thinner that can precisely line the lips. By the way, the product is made in China and it can only last for 12 months after opening. Let's go ahead with the application, and I will not just apply this on the lips but also on my cheeks, since they are claiming that this is dual functional product. So for the cheeks, the product cannot be spread by dabbing motion. As you can see, the pigment is well blended after a few strokes on my cheek area is minimal, and I must say that this is not the most seamless tint for the cheek. 100% fan of the applicator. I am not the best on applying liquid product on my lips, but this makes my application a lot easier. The doe foot applicator size is perfect, and its tip is also thin and pointed to precisely line my lips. Rouge liquid lipstick sets after a minute, and it's not tacky at all even right after application. Plus, it doesn't accentuate the lines on my lips. They're claiming to have matte finish, but for me, it still has a little sheen. Well, this is not an issue for me because I actually love how my lips look juicy and lustrous. and it doesn't suck the moisture off my lips. For the longevity, the product lasts for around 3 to 4 hours, and for me, it is good enough for the comfort it can give. I haven't mentioned any negative thoughts about this product yet, but the major con for me is its price. This lipstick retails for 399 pesos that contains 6.3 ml of product. Overall, I can say that I do not recommend this product because honestly, this is the lightest and most comfortable liquid lipstick that I've tried. I know that this is not as affordable, but the quality and wearability of this lipstick almost feels like you don't have any product on the lips. On the other hand, I am not seeing myself using it as a cheek stain since I don't like using the same product on my cheeks and on my lips because surely there's a hygiene issue there. Nevertheless, if you have the budget, this lip product will be surely one of your faves. That is it for my review for the Loreal Rouge Signature Liquid Lipstick, and I hope I shared something helpful today. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and click the bell button beside it so you'll get notified with my new upload. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye bye!